Hey, this is Jack with Recipal, and we're going to answer some of your food labeling questions. This one comes from Sarah in Texas. She says, I was looking for guidance on ingredients being listed in the same ingredient statement multiple times, and whether we can omit the second or third time the ingredient was listed. So the simple answer is yes, you're absolutely allowed to consolidate duplicate ingredients within your ingredient statement. However, in order to do this, you need to be able to calculate the total weight of those ingredients. Ingredient statements need to be in descending weight order. So if your ingredient statement has butter listed twice, you can add the total weight of the butter and list it once. So you won't be able to do this if you purchase an ingredient that has sub-ingredients because you don't know the weight of those sub-ingredients. Thankfully, if you're using Recipal, we have built-in functionality to automatically aggregate any duplicate ingredients in your sub-recipes. Let me show you how that works. Okay, so let's say we have a cookie company, and one of the products is a sugar cookie. It has a really simple recipe that consists of sugar, flour, butter, and vanilla. Now we have another recipe for frosting, which could be used on this sugar cookie or any of our other products. And when we look at this recipe, we notice it has some of the same ingredients as our sugar cookie, butter and vanilla. One of the great features in Recipal is that you can take any recipe and turn it into a sub-recipe, meaning that you could use it as an ingredient in other recipes. So here we can take our frosting and our sugar cookie, turn them into sub-recipes, and put them together into one recipe that's a buttercream sugar cookie. Now our ingredient list is currently longer than it needs to be because it lists butter and vanilla twice. But within Recipal, you can just select Combine Ingredients from Sub-Recipes to consolidate the ingredient list and have a shorter display. This feature lets you have flexibility and control over the ingredient list and stay organized with sub-recipes. You can check it out for free at recipal.com.